Hello students. So today we will learn the calculation of longitude and time. So we are going to do the calculation of longitude and time. Now just see, first of all we have to understand that if we go right of the prime meridian, the time is added. That means the time will be added because the right hand side is east. If we go towards the west, the time will be deducted. Why? What is the reason? Because sun rises in the east first, then to the west, so the time will be ahead in the east than the west. Now for every degree of longitude, suppose 1 degree, the time in the east will be added by 4 minutes, and for every 1 degree in the west, the time will be subtracted by 4 minutes. What is the reason behind this? Okay, now we know that the earth rotates in 24 hours, right? And it rotates a full circle, that is 360-degree. That means the 360-degree total longitudes takes 24 hours to be covered. Then 1 degree longitude will take how much time to be covered? If we convert hours into minutes, then it will be multiplied by 60. Then calculate that 1 degree means how much time? It will be 4 minutes. So for every 1 degree longitude, of rotation, the time will be 4 minutes. So as we go to the east, for 1 degree, 4 minutes is added, and for 1 degree towards the west, 4 minutes is deducted. Now let us take an example. Suppose prime meridian, the sun is directly overhead. Means the sun is directly overhead of prime meridian, means the local time of prime meridian is 12 p.m. Then what will be the time in 1 degree east and 1 degree west? How to calculate? With the 12 hours, we will add 4 minutes in the east. That is 1 degree east will have 12 hour 4 minutes of time. It will be PM. Now in the 1 degree west, 12 hours, from 12 hours, 4 minutes will be deducted. That is 11:56 AM. Obviously before 12 noon it is AM. Hopefully this much explanation is clear to you. Now let us do a calculation longitude and time. Place A and place B. Place A suppose 0 degree prime meridian. What is the time 0 degree? Suppose 12 noon, that is 12 p.m. Longitude is given, time is given. Now place B, only time is given and longitude is not given. You have to find out the longitude. Now how do you know that whether it is east of place A or whether it is west of place A? How to understand? Just see the time. 5 p.m. is ahead of 12 p.m. If the time is ahead of 12 p.m., that means place B is in the east of prime meridian. So this will be east. Now let us calculate the time difference. What is the time difference between place A and B? The time difference between place A and place B is 12 p.m. Which one is ahead? 5 p.m. So we will do 5 p.m. minus 12 p.m. Sorry, 5 p.m. minus 12 p.m. Now seeing the digit, you will say, how can we subtract this 5 p.m. and 12 p.m.? 5 p.m. is ahead of 12 p.m. Now according to the digital clock, 5 p.m. means how much hour? 12 p.m. means 12 hour, 1 p.m. means 13 hour, 2 p.m. means 14 hour, 3 p.m. means 15 hour, 4 p.m. means 16 hour, then 5 p.m. means 17 hours minus 12 hours. So what is the difference? 5 hours of difference. Okay, now convert it into minutes. How much? 5 into 60 minute. If you can multiply with 60, it will come into minutes. That is 5 6 30 minutes. Now we already know the calculation, previous calculation we have done, this one, which says that 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes. So 4 minutes of time means 1 degree of longitude. Then 1 minute means 1 by 4. Then 300 minute means how much? 300 minutes means 1 by 4 into 300. Now calculate it, divide it. 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20. That is 75 degree. Now I said it will be east. Because why it is east? Because 5 p.m. is ahead of 12 p.m. That means the time is ahead of 0 degree, means it is in the east. So the answer is 75 degree east. Hopefully you have understood the calculation, how to do the time and longitude calculation. This is where you got the 2 times and 1 longitude, and you have given to find out 1 longitude. Okay, this is question number 6 of page number 28. Just go through it, see the calculation. Okay, try to understand. This is the better explanation of calculation. Okay, again I will give you another calculation, how to find out the time of a place.